Hello and welcome to Healthism. The superfood Moringa is a topic of immense interest within the health and wellness community, celebrated for its remarkable array of health benefits. Its reputation is well-deserved, owing to its potent combination of antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which have been shown to have profound effects on human health. What makes Moringa particularly intriguing is its potential to not only enhance our physical well-being but also contribute to our financial prosperity. At the heart of Moringa's appeal lies its impressive nutritional profile. Bursting with essential nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, potassium, and a full spectrum of amino acids, Moringa stands as a veritable powerhouse of nourishment. These nutrients play crucial roles in supporting various bodily functions, from immune system function to cellular repair and regeneration. One of the key benefits of Moringa is its ability to combat oxidative stress and inflammation. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, leading to cellular damage and inflammation. By supplying the body with a rich source of antioxidants, Moringa helps neutralize free radicals, thereby reducing inflammation and protecting against chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Furthermore, Moringa has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce insulin resistance, making it a valuable ally in the fight against diabetes and metabolic disorders. By stabilizing blood sugar levels and promoting healthy insulin function, Moringa helps prevent the development of insulin resistance and its associated complications, such as fatty liver disease and cardiovascular problems. In addition to its effects on metabolic health, Moringa also offers significant benefits for brain health and cognitive function. The high levels of vitamin E and vitamin C found in Moringa help protect against oxidative damage to brain cells, reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Furthermore, Moringa's potent anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation in the brain, which has been linked to cognitive decline and memory loss. But perhaps one of the most exciting aspects of Moringa is its potential to promote financial prosperity as well as physical well-being. As demand for natural health products continues to grow, Moringa presents a lucrative opportunity for farmers and entrepreneurs alike. Its fast-growing nature, drought resistance, and ability to thrive in diverse climates make it an attractive crop for cultivation in developing countries, where it can provide much-needed income and employment opportunities for local communities. Moreover, Moringa's versatility as a food and supplement ingredient opens up a wide range of possibilities for product development and innovation. From dietary supplements and energy bars to skincare products and herbal teas, the market for Moringa-based products is vast and diverse, offering ample opportunities for entrepreneurs to capitalize on this burgeoning trend. Moringa oleifera is more than just a superfood, it is a symbol of hope and opportunity for individuals and communities around the world. Its remarkable health benefits, coupled with its potential to generate income and create sustainable livelihoods, make it a truly transformative crop with the power to improve both human health and economic well-being. As we continue to explore the potential of Moringa, let us seize the opportunity to harness its benefits for the betterment of ourselves and our communities. Comment on their experiences with these foods or to suggest what food you should cover next. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And, of course, subscribe to Healthism if you haven't already for more great content.